Basin lets you use your existing database infrastructure but replicate those changes to decentralized storage. You can define a hot cache period for immediate retrieval, or even archive that data for cold storage on Filecoin. The general process starts with creating an account so that every mutation to that vault is signed by a private key. Here, we're setting up our database with specific roles that will allow us to replicate the information to Basin, and then we'll create a simple table with two columns, ID, integer, and val text. Now we will set up our vaults. So when we create our vault, we specify the database information, the accounts, the cache period, which allows us to retrieve that data immediately versus waiting for it to be replicated to Filecoin. And you can see there we have our configuration information. Now we can start to stream that data so that as the database is mutated and that table is mutated, those changes will automatically be reflected within Basin. You can see as we insert a few rows there that data has been replicated to the Basin network. So now let's check it out. If we view the events associated with the vault, we will see each and every CID that it maps to those different events. We can now retrieve that data and see exactly what happened. Using car extract, we unpack the car file, and now we can see an extracted parquet file matches exactly what we had inserted into the database. There are a number of other features, including uploading parquet files, an HTTP API, and more that will be coming out in the future. And for more information, check out the Textile website.